Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Joining as a membership gives you access to videos first hand and videos that will never ever make it to the public. It's only on my membership's platform. The link will be in the description box so that you guys can easily check it out. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an envelope pillowcase. I've made this in another video on my channel already, but that was a reversible one, and that one was a three-piece one. The one you have one for the back, one and two pieces for the front, basically. With this one I'm making, it's only one piece you're going to use to make it. Just one piece of fabric, and you are ready. You are good to go with your pillow cover, basically. Now let's get into it. So guys, the one I'm going to show you guys how to make is 17 by 17 inches. So this is a really large pillow. It's a throw pillow basically, but it's a large one. And I have three other sizes that I'm using that I'm going to tell you guys. I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys can see the sizes and the measurements I eventually cut out for those pieces. Now this is the one piece for the 17 by 17 inches. What I have here is 18 inches. So this is the width of my pillow. And then what I have on this side, on the sides that I'm going to have my overlap, is 17 inches times 2. That's 34 inches plus 6 inches. That is 40 inches. So 17 plus 17, that's for the front and the back. 34 inches plus 6 inches, 40 inches. Now if your pillow is very small, add only 4 inches. Don't add 6 inches. If not, the overlap will be too much. So guys, you're going to take your fabric and you're going to go to the end where the two ends, basically the two short ends, and they're going to fold it into two, just like this. Fold it twice and sew it. That's your hem. You're folding it to the wrong side. That's your hem. So fold it and sew it down using a straight stitch. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the other side as well, do the same thing. So the two sides, you're doing the same thing. And then let's assume we've done it so that we're not going back and forth on our sewing machine and stuff. So you're going to place it like this and you're going to overlap it. So overlap it in a way that the overlapping is about 3 inches or 2.5 inches. You know, after you sew, it's going to be about 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches overlap. Then you're going to take your measuring tape and you're going to measure it and make sure it is 17 inches. So can you see it's 18.5 here. So I'm going to move it more. So you're going to move the overlap inwards more. And now I have my 17 inches. That's why it's good to even do this part before you sew this double folds I said. So before you sew it, do this overlapping part so that you can see what it looks like. And then if you need to even sew it a lot, so instead of the half an inch, you can now sew it 1 inch and 1 inch if you have enough fabric. Like if you have a lot of fabric as excess for your overlap. So can you guys see? So for this, I'm going to do 1 inch by like twice so that I can have, you know, a short overlap. So if you want a long overlap, guys, please do well to just do the half an inch that I said earlier for the hem. But if you want a shorter overlap, you can easily do like this. So make it larger so that the overlap can just be short and short at the front and the back. Now guys, once you've gotten this measurement and you've sewn your hem, the two hems, you're now going to sew it on this side and on this side, the two open edges on this side and on this side. And guys, you are done. You are done with this project. It's that easy. So sew it here and sew it here and you're done. So guys, I'm going to go to the machine, sew my hem, and then sew these two sides, and I am done with this tutorial, guys. It is really easy. I told you guys, DIY friendly, DIY beginner friendly tutorial on this channel. So guys, go check out the reversible one. That's a 3-piece. So instead of having one piece just like this, this is one, this is one, and this is one, but it is reversible. You have another fabric on the inside if you want two designs, guys. That video is amazing. I'm going to link it in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. And yeah, let's just go ahead and sew this on our machine. So guys, I have sewn it. Can you see what it looks like? And I also did some in other sizes, like I said. Now what I'm going to do next is turn it inside out so that it's on the right side that I'm going to start putting my pillow in. So turn it inside out to the right side. Now I'm going to put the pillow inside the pillowcase basically, and we are done. Guys, can you see what it looks like? You can use your fabrics that you love the most. If you want to see it every day, just put it on your chair. So I'm going to put it in the smaller ones now. So guys, this is what these sizes look like. Can you guys see? Now for this smallest one that I did, you can see that I used the horizontal part for the overlap. That's because my fabric was not enough for measuring it as the overlap for this part. So you can do it anyhow. This is the horizontal part of this one, and the overlapping is on the shorter side while this is on the longer side. So just double the measurements and add it to whatever part you are using as your full round part. So guys, that's all I have for this video. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my green followers and even here on YouTube. Please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Joining as a member, our membership gives you access to videos firsthand, and also videos, exclusive contents that won't make it to the public, that are for only members. And I would love you guys to be a part of that community. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.